So the supreme wisdom and expertise of the Maverick are needed again this evening, with the entire region coming down on West Indies number 11 batsman Shannon Gabriel for swiping and getting out 7 deliveries short of saving the test match and the test series. Now I agree, Shannon Gabriel played a bad shot. In the context of saving the game, it was a terrible decision to chase that white ball. Nobody cannot go around that. But I refuse to blame that shot and Shannon Gabriel specifically for the West Indies losing that match and losing the series. And also cricket go. Shannon Gabriel survived 21 deliveries before getting out. That was much longer than his technical and temperamental competence allowed for. It is downright unfair and unjust for the West Indies top order to perform so abysmally poor in the series and in this game, and then leave it on the number 11 batsman to save the match and save the series. Shannon Gabriel is more of a number 13 or a number 14 batsman than a number 11 batsman. That is how poor he is. The typical tail ender will more than likely get out after 20-odd deliveries because they are generally not equipped technically or cerebrally to play long pressure innings. Shannon Gabriel win the second test match with his core function, his bowling to get West Indies back in the series. Is the worthless batsman them in the top order supposed to step up and bat and save this test match and save the series, not Shannon Gabriel? 4 of our top order batsmen did not reach double figures in that second innings. And that's how we lose the match and lose the series. We don't leave Gabriel alone. You know what? The Maverick will start some cricket classes. But before you attend my classes, you will have to pass a common sense entrance exam. This thing will get out of hand, man.